Hey guys, Nerf gun review 331. I'm Sam. Another Nerf gun range test with two shotguns. The Barrel Break IX2 and the Rapid Fire, I guess air blasters, Busby, whatever. I am going to do a test comparison. I think I loaded this with two darts. Oh well. Starting with a shotgun. If you mind, could move. Left. Thank you. Alright, ready? Aiming. 3, 2, 1. And obviously the cat will go after it. Yeah, we're just going to go over. Get out of the way, Leo. Alright. So, that landed about here, I guess. Alright. Alright, so I say about 40, 30, I guess like 34 feet. Yeah, 34 feet. The rapid fire shotgun fires about 34 feet, at least. Moving on to a Nerf blaster, the Barrel Break. Firing in 3, 2, 1. You can actually hear the whistle on that one. Now, the big difference, I actually saw the dart impact the ground around here. Like around here. And if you can see, yellow dart's right here, other dart's here. I'm going to say like 32 feet at least. So basically the Barrel Break is good on power, but it's also bad on clip size and range. The shotgun, like the Rapid Fire, Tech Dart Blaster, whatever. It shoots pretty powerful actually. I got shot in the neck once, and got shot in the forehead once. Hurt a lot, and got stuck to my forehead. Not funny. My cameraman's starting to laugh about it because he thinks that's funny. So yeah, this is a pretty good gun. I recommend it for range, firepower, speed. Well, not speed, but for power, range, and whatever that last one I said. So yeah, can you back up a little, please? Thanks. This has been a good video with Nerf Gun Review 331. Thank you and have a great day.